Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to do a book review for you. It's Crochet Patterns and Projects. This is a very, very good book that I would highly, highly recommend. It is spiral bound. It has glossy front and back covers. Beautiful photography. It is paperback. Pages are thick, they're glossy, very, very nice book. I have made several projects out of this book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the book and then I'm going to show you what I made from this book. So you open it up, and it starts out with like a granny square. Very pretty. They will show you granny square techniques in here as well. Then you have a table of contents. I'm trying to see. Oh, this was copyright in 2014. So it's not that old, only 4 years. Then you get a table of contents. It tells you everything that is in this book. There are 62 pages in this book. Then they give you a pattern, basics, abbreviations, symbols, and gauge. Is that pretty photography? So pretty. On the other side, abbreviations and symbols. So they tell you what ALL means, ALT, AP, PROX, BEG, capital BL, BD. I mean, they just all the way down. So you know what all of the symbols stand for. Very, very well thought out. And then they do a section on gauge, which is very important in some pieces. So you get that. And then you get patterns, granny squares, motifs, and stitches. So you're going to see a traditional granny square, and they always have the pattern right underneath, how to make it. Then there is a modified granny square with the pattern, and then if they have a tip, they will give you a tip for this pattern. Spiked square. So as you can see, pattern down below, smooth wave. Very pretty squares. Fisherman's ring. Mesh stitch. And right up here next to all of them is stitches used. So you have on this one, you have a chain stitch, a double crochet, a single crochet, a slip stitch, and a treble crochet to make that. So they all have them on there. Very, very straightforward. Petal stitch. African flower. Cluster cross, open fan, circle lace square, hexagon, circles in a square, nested square. You know, I did not think, there is so many squares, I just did not even realize. Catherine's wheel. Honeycomb stitch. Irish rose square. Woven stitch. And moon square. This is kind of neat. I like that one. Moon square. So you get all of those granny square type projects as well. And then we get started on the actual projects in the book. And the first one is the mug cozy. You get a full-size, beautifully photographed picture. And then you get this small picture. And then you get the instruction, or the directions for it. I have made this, but I do not have any to show because I gave them as gifts. The infinity scarf. Beautiful close-up. And then they give you another picture and instructions. An afghan. So I think a lot of you can see in all of their, they do have the skill levels up here. So they're easy, you know, maybe some intermediate, but very little. So we got ice pop cozies and heart bookmark. You got a slouch hat. And the slouch hat is easy. Got a pot holder. So that's what I was meaning about, that this was easy for even beginners, as well as the intermediate and advanced crocheters. Skill level on the baby blanket is easy. But they're beautiful projects. Beautiful projects. There's a table centerpiece. This one is intermediate, but it's pretty. And let me see, we got a flower pin, which is easy. And then it shows you step by step what to do. Octopus. And the octopus is intermediate. Got coasters. Got baby booties, little shoes for girls. Those are adorable. And this is intermediate. And you got a market bag. And this is easy. You have a headband, which you can change up the project, because this little flower down here was the little flower I showed just a few minutes ago. They just added it to the headband. And you have a cable pillow, very pretty. And that is easy. You have arm warmers. And that's easy. And then you have a mini scarf, which is intermediate. And then there's another. And then on the back, it just tells you what's inside the book. So it's, as you can see, it is a beautiful, beautifully made book. And this one also, it has where if you wanted to take them out and put them in, you know, sleeves, that they have the lines cut right here. You can cut on these lines and you could put them in sleeves if you wanted to. So very, very good book. Good for advanced crocheters that just want something quick, intermediates, or even the beginner. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I have made. Like I said, I made the coffee cozy, but I gave those as gifts at Christmas, so I don't have those to show. Okay, I made the infinity scarf. Was beginner, and here it is. And all the stitches that you need are chain, double crochet, treble crochet, and whip stitch. That is all. Very pretty. Very pretty. Of course, I don't have a mirror, so I don't know how it looks, but you get the idea. Get the idea of it. Okay, so I made that. Okay, and let me see what else I made. I made the octopus from it. This was an intermediate project, and here he is, adorable. There's the back. Put on the safety eyes. So that I made him. I made the coasters. And these are the coasters. I made these. Put felt on the back. I made these. I made these green ones with the mint on them. And I made the blue. Where are they? Right here. I really like these. Well, you know me, I like blue. So these with the dark blue felt on the bottom. Very nice. So I made those. And let me see. I made the headband and I gave that to somebody, so I don't have that either. Let's see, where am I missing something? Let me see. I know they're in here. Well, if I can't find them, oh, here they are. I made the heart bookmark. These were very easy. And the reason that I have them, oh, I can undo one. These are very quick. These maybe take about a half an hour to make. These are very quick. And then I put felt on all the backs of mine. So I've made quite a few. All of these are in my Etsy store. And the coasters are in my Etsy store as well. So anyway, that is what I've made out of them. Everything was easy. I had no problems with anything. There are still other things in here that I do want to make, but I just wanted to come on, do the review, say I would highly, highly recommend this. I did get this on Amazon. Amazon still has these. I will put a link down below if you are interested at all. But yes, very nice book. Would be a great gift for someone you know that maybe is learning to crochet and needs some easy projects. But yes, so I would highly, highly recommend this. It's from Publications International Limited. So that's my review of crochet patterns and projects. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.